So do you ever take advantage of the cocktail hour? I mean, really, we're always working on dance music. We're always trying to figure out what's good people are gonna dance. But you know, we get started sometimes as people arrive. And we'll play music, but we're not really thinking about it like we do at dancing. During the dancing, what's next? What's gonna mix? What's gonna work? What's gonna get people going? But really, we can affect the room as they arrive, right? So, and if you're not thinking about the chill feeling that could be happening, the mood that could be going on as they come in, you are letting go of a beautiful opportunity. Not only to have a bunch of people really impressed with what's going on, but you can make them feel a certain way. You can gear them up. You guys that are playing Kenny G still, okay, you might as well just not show up till 8 o'clock because Kenny G's putting them to sleep anyway. But if you can build something, give them something you wouldn't be able to play on the dance floor, but you know they're gonna groove to, and you take them to the cocktail hour, and you take them to the dinner, and then all of a sudden, you can hit them with dance music at 8 o'clock or whenever dinner is over, and these people are now geared up to dance. Really, and isn't that what you want? I mean, honestly, I used to come home when I used to start at 8 o'clock and tell my wife, look, man, I started at 8 and then I had to kind of start from scratch. Everybody was doing all kinds of things and they were doing everything that I didn't want them to do. And then it took me an hour and a half to get people geared into what I was doing to get them partying. Man, if they just started me 2 hours earlier when guests began to arrive, but they don't want to pay for the extra 2-3 hours for me to do it because I was charging, you know, X amount of dollars for 4 hours. And this is what my wife told me. Why don't you just do it anyway? I mean, come on. How is it that I was so dumb in the DJ business and my wife, the hairdresser, said, well, if it's gonna work better, why not just do it the way you're supposed to do it? It changed a lot of things. And it made it, number one, that I could charge more immediately. And number two, have a bigger impact immediately. And that was way before I was doing any kind of emceeing. And that's something we can talk about it another time. This is Bill, it's Creative License, and I will see you next week.